In this video we're going to go over Builderall floating videos. What is up guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video we're going to be going over Builderall's floating videos tool. And if you don't know what floating videos are, they're basically where you can have yourself or something else float onto the screen with an invisible background. So to use this tool you will need to be using a green screen, blue screen, white screen, black screen, whatever kind of screen you want, just not the same color as your skin and not the same color as whatever you're wearing, because otherwise if it is and you select the background, then whatever's the same color is going to be fading and have a picture behind it instead of what you want to come through on the floating video. So you need to make sure the background is a different color to everything that you want to show up on the floating video. So you can use this as intros on websites or anywhere else that you want your avatar or whatever you want floating in on the screen. You could cover the whole screen and have the video with something floating in, floating across, or you can just have yourself as a little box in the corner coming onto the screen and talking about something and helping people navigate through the site. There's endless ways you can use it. There's just a couple of examples of how you can use the floating videos tool. So without further ado, let's jump in.
This is a pretty basic tool which allows you to remove the background from your videos. So if you have a green screen or a black screen or a white screen or whatever color screen that you use, then you can create a video, record a video, and then create a project, add your video in, and once you've added your video in, you can remove the background from it and add it into your website. So you can add it on the bottom and make it look like that you're walking in on screen and do sort of an intro or something like that, or you can add it as a hover effect so it comes down and covers the entire screen like a pop-up. So there's loads of ways that you can use this to add a personal touch to your website. So with this specific video there isn't a green screen in the background, but I'm going to add it just so you can see the various tools. So we click on edit, and then here you can remove the colors. You can add more colors if you want to remove multiple colors from the background, and you can create a loop video. So if you want the video to loop on and on the website when someone clicks on, you can do that. And there's a load of other cool tools as well that you can do. So add it to your website and have it as like an intro video, welcome to your website.
So there was a very quick overview of the floating videos tool. Very simple tool, but has lots of possibilities on how you can use it in your business. Hope you got a few ideas how you can use that on your websites and in your business. So if you did, and if you haven't already, and you want to get started with Builderall, click the link in the description below to start your 7-day unlimited free trial, which includes the floating videos tool and all 29 plus of Builderall's awesome tools. And if you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos, and I'll see you in another video.